Happy new moon, my darlings. Welcome, welcome, welcome. New moon in Libra. That's happening today, as well as a solar south node eclipse in Libra at 10 degrees. That really brings endings, new beginnings, and many of you are overcoming karmic cycles. I want to get a check-in energy just for all of you who definitely are really into new moons, full moons, for those of you who are looking for the moon energy. What's coming in very strong for you today? And using the keeper reading, let's see what's coming in strong. And yes, we'll go back to our routine, but for some reason Spirit says the new energies are kicking in, so let's do some other things in between. Underneath we have sudden wealth. Oh my, something here coming suddenly to you, loves. For some of you, there is something here you are gonna win, so don't hesitate to go to get a ticket. You know, for some of you, you need to bring an energy that you felt like you left behind. But this is a very good energy, especially finance-wise, career-wise, even just money. These are not money you worked. For some of you, someone here just are gonna gift you something or give you something. Whatever here is, just say, I receive it, I welcome it, I claim it. You mean it and mean it. I have the male. I'll put in the middle. Either you are male or a female. You are the main character here. Pathway, a new path. Something here, it's kind of a major change. Pathway, this is like a death card energy here. All these butterflies and this kind of the light of the end of the tunnel. For some of you, either you are male or you have a strong masculine energy. We have a thief. We have a coffin. For some of you, someone here, it's kind of you're closing a door to someone. Journey. Great fortune. It's like whatever. It's like a release of some kind of energy. Whatever that energy is, darlings. Look at here. Poverty, imprisonment, and journey. Somebody here is moving on from a situation that was hard or felt like trapped into. That's changing. There's something here kind of let go. Whatever here was yours is like the in your house, it's coming the energy that belongs to you. Something here felt like was gone or was trapped into something. Let me see here, because something here, yeah, look at here, wealthy man and sudden wealth. Something here was privileged lady and change. So whoever here I'm speaking, darlings, for some of you, there is some kind of energy that was trapped somewhere, is released. Somebody here tried to took something from you. Okay, I want to clarify this pathway, this kind of like released energy. Despair, bad health. Yeah, somebody here didn't want you to succeed something. And community. It's like somebody here wanted some people see you in a certain way. You are releasing that, or that is released. Courtship. For some of you, there you have some good news coming in. Somebody here makes some kind of decision, and that's going forward. Whatever here is, male, female, and marriage is like the yin and the yang are balancing. Whatever that is, look at here, a new beginning. I want to give one card for imprisonment. courthouse. And false person. Yeah, whoever here brought BS addressed to you, they will be found. So somebody here try to bring something to you. Well, it's going away. It's kind of somebody didn't want something here to work out for you. But that is a renewal coming in. So some new things, new message, new energy, it's coming in for you. So expect good things, good energies that are hitting your way, loves. I have thoughts, I have gift. As I said, there's something here like a gift giving to you, or like a gift coming in. Whatever here was distant from you, or whatever here were tried to be trapped, taken from you, now things are starting to come. For some of you, this is about your work, it's about your money. For others of you, it's about your home environment. You kind of knew that this is something here, or something is not going the way it is. Whatever here is, it's released, darlings. Yes. You are gonna receive some kind of message here. I want to have more about whatever here is coming to you, darlings. Give me more messages about this change for my viewers. Thank you. Oh yeah, something here is definitely on the move. So again, whatever here was trapped is changing. Speaking of, for those of you who felt, you know, in a trapped energy, is gonna change. No matter whatever you were doing. If you felt that something or someone is not gonna do anything, or you are in some kind of work situation that nothing goes forward, that's starting to move. Chariot is about movement. For some of you, it's about your finances. Okay. Give me more about this. It's kind of like open roads, open new energies, a new beginning. Yes, Ace of Cups. For some of you, this is in love. For others of you, it's in finances. And I have death. Something here, it's ending, it's dying. Some kind of energy, it's going away from you. Whatever here, energy here, that's the change here. Okay. And that's the change. Yeah, look at here. Wow. Very emotional energy here. For some of you, you might feel even today quite emotional of whatever here was stuck. For some of you, it could be your money stuck somewhere or in something. Now it's a released energy. So something here is releasing. Absolutely. It's like things will start working out to the best for you. Something here definitely it's gonna, yeah, this death energy is, it's like good news coming in, news about change, movement. This is very fast movement, darlings. Very fast movement that starts to come to you. What's the advice for you from Spirit about whatever is changing for you? What's the advice? Judgment. High Priestess. Wow, this is Seven of Swords. You know who I'm talking about. And Spirit says you are gonna hear about someone, or you are gonna hear that something here were there for you, but no any longer. Yeah, it's kind of you moving away from something because you fight for it. Nine of Cups. Ten of Swords. Queen of Cups and Three of Wands. For some of you, you made the decision to move on from someone, and that was the best decision you could do. Yes, absolutely. Whoever here, yes, whoever here try to make you suffer or try you to be in a certain way, they are moving away. They are moving away. You moving away from them as they are gonna move away. Why this person or whoever here try something? Why they even wanted certain things? For some of you, you know who I'm talking here. Why they even, you know, try to do certain things. Jealousy. How could you do better than them? That's jealousy, okay? Very gossipy, very, yeah. For some of you, you could choose someone else over someone. Plain and simple. But it's something here that goes to them back. So whatever here, someone here could not move on from you, they try to, for you to not move on from them, or for you to not do well. Whatever here they try on you, it's going to them back. I don't like to say karma gets back, you know, but yes, will affect them for a long time, darlings. Yeah, and you are getting out from this energy better, stronger, much awesome. Wow, yes. Whoever this person, well, whatever they try, didn't work out. Well, again, some people are not really people we know or we knew. But it seems here that whatever here they try, too bad for them. So loves, it's a new beginning. It's opening certain new things for you. Appreciate it, accept it, claim it, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.